Dhruvika, look around. Everyone is busy with the screen. We have information but no direction. Technology in our hands but values slipping away.
Still, time has not left us. What we choose today will decide our tomorrow.
నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు దానికి సమయమే కదరా ఆయుధము విజయం నేరుగా చేరదు శ్రమ పడితే దక్కగా మానదు నీ లక్ష్యం చేరే మార్గంలో ప్రతి సెకను విలువని తెలుసుకో ఉన్నోడివా లేనోడివా ఏ కులం నీదని అడగదు మంచోడివా చెడ్డోడివా ఏ మతము నీది అని అడగదు ప్రేమ చాలే చూపదు దాక్షిణ్యాలే ఉండవు ప్రేమ చాలే చూపదు దాక్షిణ్యాలే ఉండవు దానికి విలువను ఇస్తే గెలుస్తావు అది మరిచితే అక్కడే ఆగుతావు కాలం నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు దానికి సమయమే కదరా ఆయుధము ఒకసారి నువ్వు ప్రతిమాలి చూడు కోల్పోయిన కాలాన్ని తిరిగొస్తదేమో నీ వైపు చూసి నీ సమయం కరుణించి ఒకసారి నువ్వు ప్రతిమాలి చూడు కోల్పోయిన కాలాన్ని తిరిగొస్తదేమో నీ వైపు చూసి నీ సమయం కరుణించి నిన్నే నిన్నుగా మలిసేమునిరా సమయం అంటే తమ్ముడా విలువలతో నీ బతికే బతుకును అందిస్తదిరా నిండుగా క్రమశిక్షణను నేర్పిస్తదిరా సమయం నిత్యం స్వేరో సైనికుడై సాగర కాలం నేనేస్తాం ఆ జెండా ఎత్తి నడవర తమ్ముడ ధైర్యం నీ కను నిత్యం కాలం నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు దానికి సమయమే కదరా ఆయుధము విజయం నేరుగా చేరదు శ్రమ పడితే దక్కగా మానదు నీ లక్ష్యం చేరే మార్గంలో ప్రతి సెకను విలువని తెలుసుకో కాలం నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు దానికి సమయమే కదరా ఆయుధము
This nation does not need careless uses of technology. It needs responsible citizens.
Let us think before we click, act before we post, and rise for our country.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव विजयी भव है छटपटा रही रोशनी। गगन कहे विजय भव। माटी ने तेरी आज पुकारा, धरती ये पूछे बारंबार, लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी। संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजय भव।
A powerful wake-up call for us all. Let us take this lesson to heart, put down our distraction and step up to our duties. Give a big round of applause for this inspiring message. The future belongs to those who innovate, create and think beyond textbooks. From the next academic year, our school is taking a step forward by introducing robotics, where young minds will learn to build, code and create. To tell us more about this exciting initiative, we now have a short introduction.
Hello parents, good evening. My name is Narsimha and I am the founder and CEO of company called STEMX India, right, where we are doing robotics and AI program in 300 plus schools across India, and we are bringing in Japanese technology to schools across India, and we are so proud to collaborate with St. Anthony's group of schools here, and thanks to ma'am. And the major thing what we are bringing here is bringing in robotics and AI as curriculum, right? So, and we will be teaching math, science, integrating it with practical learning and experiential learning, right? Can you see this robot here? Hello. How many of you have seen this robot in IPL? Dog robot. Everyone have seen, right? Hello. Yeah. Can you say hi to all the parents and students here? Thank you. So the dog robot which is here liked all of you and wants to say namaste to all of you. Hey dog, can you say namaste to all? Yes. And it liked all the students and parents here and it wants to give a dance performance here. Hey dog robot, can you dance here? Yes. And students can program this robot, high grade students, and students who are in 5th grade, 6th grade will build this kind of robots and students will be programming them, right? And I would like to show you one more thing. there is a small robot here, right, which can dance, and the major thing is students can assemble these kind of robots, and students will be again programming these kind of robots, right? So I would like to say there is. Okay, let's do an interesting part now. So we will tell this robot to do some push-ups. Can you all see this? Yeah. Hey robot, can you do push-ups here? Yes, the major idea of bringing robotics and AI is we hear every day ChatGPT, different types of AI tools which are coming in, and that is the reason from grade 1 to grade 10 we are planning to implement robotics and AI program in school, and this will be from next academic year, right? And this is how the kits look like, and even for grade 1 and 2 there are a lot of Lego based learning, right? So students will be learning how to build simple machines, pulley mechanism, lever mechanism, or inclined planes from small age to then get into coding, how to code the robots, and then finally get into the advanced robotics, right? And students also participate in national, international level robotics and AI competitions as well, right? That's it from our side. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. The end is a beginning for new resolutions and to work harder for more milestones. Now, I would like to invite our teacher, Mrs. Shashikala, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thankfulness is the quickest path to joy. Good evening to one and all. As we come to the end of our annual day celebration, on behalf of the management, staff and students of St. Anthony's, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today's spectacular annual day celebration. First and foremost, we praise, thank and glorify the Lord for the wonders of His love. We are truly grateful to God for granting us this wonderful opportunity to celebrate our annual day, which has been a grand success. I am extremely thankful to Reverend Sister Shaurilu Udumala, CSA Provincial Superior, the president of today's function. Dear sister, your presence filled this occasion with joy, happiness and festive spirit and brought great encouragement to all of us here. Thank you, sister, for your gracious presence. My heartfelt thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Deepak John, for graciously accepting our invitation despite his busy schedule. My heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Reverend Sister N. Nakshetram, Provincial Councillor, for her inspiring presence at this function. Her dedication to God, education and selfless service to mankind make her truly special. Let me express my gratitude to our guest of honor, Reverend Father Dr. Komareddy Mareddy, Rector of St. John's Regional Seminary, Ramantapur, Hyderabad, and Father Niranjan from USA for their inspiring presence at this function. My heart is filled with gratitude towards our beloved Reverend Sister Rosalinda, former Superior General of CSA, who has always been a motivating force for all of us. Her guidance and encouragement continue to inspire us in our journey. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Sister Papulamma, our correspondent, for stretching out her helpful hands towards us during this event. Thank you, dear sister, for your support. We extend our sincere thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Sister Maria Magdalena, for awakening the desires and ambitions of young generations and for nurturing the educational excellence of our students. Dear sister, your actions inspire others and help us reach new heights and achieve new possibilities. Thank you, dear sister, for your generous support. To all the distinguished guests, representing various prestigious institutions, brothers and sisters who added glamour to our program with their presence. To my dedicated colleagues, teaching, non-teaching staff and supporting staff, thank you for your tireless efforts, meticulous planning and seamless execution behind the scenes. Your commitment ensured everything ran like clockwork. My special thanks to our dance teacher, Mrs. Jayashree, for her creative choreography and dedication in training the students and bringing life and energy to the stage. I also owe my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Madhavi and Mrs. Seshi, our computer teachers, for their valuable support and for preparing the PowerPoint presentations that enhanced the beauty of the program. I am also deeply grateful to all the participants who put up mesmerizing and thought-provoking performances. Each act was truly inspiring and filled with creativity and confidence. Dear girls, you definitely deserve a big applause. Well done, children. I would also like to thank all the volunteers who have been running around tirelessly, doing a lot of work behind the scenes and making this event a grand success. On this joyous occasion, I thank all the parents of our students for the confidence they have placed in us and for excellent cooperation they have given in our work to make it successful. Dear parents, thank you for your contribution in allowing and encouraging your wards to participate in this program. The appropriate lighting, sound and music system provided by JSR Events Anil has richly enhanced the grandeur of the show. I thank all of them sincerely. I also thank Narsimha sir and team for the wonderful robotic program. Before I conclude, once again I thank the Almighty God for His countless blessings. Thank you one and all. God bless you all.
Every journey has its end and every path stops somewhere. Now I request everyone to kindly rise and stand in attention for the national anthem.
టేబుల్ ఇచ్చానా
ఫోన్ మైక్ అన్న ఇవ్వండి పోనీ అట్లీస్ట్ మైక్ ఇవ్వండి మామూలు మైక్ ఇవ్వండి సింఫనీనా బ్లూటూత్ కనెక్ట్ చేసేయాలి కదా మైక్ అన్న ఇవ్వండి మైక్ అప్పుడే తీసుకొని పెట్టేసుకున్నారా లాస్ట్ అయిపోకుండా మైక్ అన్న ఇవ్వండి అరే అనౌన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇంతసేపు అలర్ట్గా లేకపోతే ఎట్లా ఇది
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे